Morning people, I'm at a pickup here. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a full HGVs with Le Mans lot on it. Oh cool. Hey, them units cost some money. We are sat here waiting to get loaded. No rush, I don't think, on a Monday morning. And it is absolutely wazzing down, as you can see. Another not so sunny day in a not so sunny Darwin. Okay, so that's Darwin picked up. We've done alright really, because he's given me a second job. He says, have you got hotels on? And I did have someone on. Well, I planned to have someone on. I talked to somebody about a quick job for 25 quid straight after this. But it weren't set in stone around, because we didn't know what times I was going to actually drop this proper. Lads are on dropping this off too. We're on an induction till 10:30 this morning. So they won't be able to take it till after that anyway, on site. So now we've got one Darwin to Chester, and then Chester into Manchester. Science and Industry Museum at Manchester. That's 2 jobs. Not too bad. Give us a good start to the day. It's a bad day today weather-wise. Pissing now. You've got to keep your distances, people. Keep your distances. Take it nice and easy. No need for 60, 65 tops and you're laughing. Don't go mental. Look at that boy. Bloke there in a Maxus high top with a big roll of carpet stuck out back of his van. Doors bungee rope together. Good lad. So, hopefully, well, we'll be in Manchester, won't we? So we're bound to get somewhere else. Do these 2, get another one, see how much I've made. I might call it a day. I can't believe it's August soon and we're only just getting going because of all this thing that's happened. Normally by now, any courier will tell you, you'll be flat out now. Flat out, up at 5 o'clock in the morning, out, ready, not getting home some nights, having to tramp out loads. Now we're just getting going and it's August. This thing's proper freak people up. Have to catch up on all your bills now. Take months to do that for some people. Take months for me to do it, never mind some people. But there you go. At least we're here. We're here, we're earning, and we're at it. One of the lads I speak to, he's just doing Manchester now. He lives round there anyway, and he's just going to do locals all day, every day for a while. He's going to get up in the morning, get himself one, or get one night before, and then just little increment jobs, 30 quidders and 40 quidders, until he gets to his 180, 200 quid a day, and then call it a do, he says. Which is fair enough. Spend 30 quid on fuel, give or take. You're still on 170 for a day, aren't you? Bit of wear and tear out of that and all that. You're still med. You're still med. When I first started this, I don't know if I've said this before, but when I first started this, I thought to myself, well, you can work in a factory 8 in the morning till 5 at night and only come out with 300 quid. So you do alright really, depending on your perspective of stuff. As long as you like your own company. I don't mind my own company, mate. Because you're in van on your own for a lot of hours. That's how come making these breaks it up. Like you're chatting to people, but really there's nobody there. I got some good comments on my last vlog I did, so that were alright, the St Austell one. I'd not do that again. Well, I would do it again, I lie. I always say I wouldn't do it again, but I would, but money'd have to be better. I would talk to somebody, okay, and how much he'd charge for that job that I did. Christ, did I do myself out of money. Freak me, did I. Then again, he might not have got it if he'd have gone in at that, but he says he does. He says if he goes down that way, then that's what he's charging, so fair dues to him. But he's got more end user customers, I think, so fair enough. This weather, man, I hate it. I'm sorting out my van. Well, I'm saying I'm sorting it out. I've been in touch with a garage guy. I've got two garage people with me. I've got a body man and I've got a mechanic guy. And it's going to be near Christmas now, I think. But it's all going to go in and get tarted up my van. I'm going to have fresh tyres on all four. Have a bit of body work done. Have a full body buff, all that sort of stuff, clean it up. Then it'll be due its MOT and a service, so I'll get that done. I'm ready then. She needs it. I bought it at 140,000, thereabouts. We're at 120,000, might be 120 actually, I don't know, I can't remember. And I'm up to 170. It's had a service in between that light, but that's how many miles I've done. So, and if it weren't for this thing that we've just all been through, it'd way more than that. So good on her. I still haven't named her actually, and I should do really, because I've had her nearly a year. I bought her August last year on my birthday. Birthday present for myself. Some blokes go through a midlife crisis and get a sports car. Then again, I did that years ago. And now I'd rather get a van. That's the courier coming out to me, that is. What's the point in buying a sports car when you can buy a van and make some money on it? Okay people, I think I've waffled on enough there. I shall speak to you when I get to Manchester, maybe. Look at that bad boy there. Right people, so as you can see, we've made it to the second drop. First one was quite easy actually. This one ain't bad, I don't suppose. Got to get it unloaded now and get it off and find something else. An easy day up to now, except for the weather. The weather's terrible. But there you go. Can't win it. Oh, can we? Can't have it always. There, that's better. That's what they are. That's the size of them. Look. Can't really see much because they're bubble wrapped up and black cling film. But I've delivered two of them now today. And as you can see, absolutely wazzing down, and Manchester is well quiet. Waiting for lads to unload us now. It's a construction site, it's a new part of the museum apparently. I said, are you alright to unload it yourself? I said, well not really mate. It took for three of us to put it on. Alright then, I'll go and get a dolly and we'll sort something. Yeah, you crack on, I'll wait here in the van, it dry. That where that is. Oh, Lecky van. That's crazy. Okay, so that's all them done now. We're putting for a couple more. We'll have to see what goes on with them. I put in for one Preston to Southampton, 252 miles. Now I went in at £1 a mile, so if I get it, we'll be laughing. But no doubt, one of our Eastern European friends will go in a lot cheaper and get it anyway. But sometimes you've got to be cheeky, yeah? It's not cheeky, it's just you've got to feel like you've done yourself right, because it's alright going in at 80p a mile, if that's what you're running at, but it's coming back. So like if you don't get out till you're a bit further up, then you're dead miling it. So if you're going at £1 a mile and they accept it, then that can take care of some of your dead ends. That's why I look at it anyway. I think other people do it different. I've said this before, people work their rates out a multitude of ways, but that's why I'm doing it. I put it for a couple of short ones and all, 30 quid, 40 quid, whatever. I put it for 6 in total, so we'll have to see, keep an eye on it all. And then we've got till Friday, haven't we, I think, for end of month. Yeah, we've got till Friday for end of month. So we'll see if we can bump it a bit then. Bump your takings a bit for till end of month and then start again, Monday. Never ending. This weather is proper crap. It stopped raining for all of 10 minutes. One of the lads just got in touch with me there. You'll know who you are. He's had a bit of a mare of a morning. He had to slam on for somebody, and it broke a strap, and the pallet's gone into his bulkhead and made a right mess of it. So now he's had to sort the pallet out, do the drop. He's going to have to buy more straps and either buy a new bulkhead or have it repaired. But I suppose, in a way, bulkheads are a good thing, aren't they? Because that's what I said, if he didn't have a bulkhead, he'd be sat in front with him, wouldn't he? Whatever it were. So he's going to be running for the next couple of days for now, because he'll have to make his money back. He's not best pleased, but there you go. Happens to the best of us, and he's still here. She's sound. Okay. We'll end it there, and if I get someone else, I'll tag it on. If not, start again tomorrow. Any jobs are better than no jobs, so if you're out here doing a bit and you've earned a bit, and it is only a bit, but it's better than earning out at all. Keep smiling, stay happy, and speak to you tomorrow. So, I thought I'd give you a bit of an update on what's going on and what jobs I've put in for. I've parked up for 2 minutes, so I've written them down. Now I put in for 6 jobs, not got any of them, but hit and miss like I said. So I put in for Ebden Bridge to Braintree, didn't get it. Middlewich, Cairnforth, Manchester to Holywell, M17 to Cheadle, Warrington, Stoke-on-Trent, and that last one I put in for with that Preston to Southampton. So I'm out way now. I'll keep putting in for a few, see where we get. If we don't, then we don't. It's just a write-off for the rest of the day. Or you could go for a tea time pickup. It's up to yourself. But for people that are just starting out in it, you know, on CX and that, it's not easy. It's just not, you know. We've been at it a while, me, Pete, Danny Boy, all that. We've been at it a while and we're finding it hard work. So if you're brand new and out there, I was speaking to one lad on one of my vlogs who one of the Beardy blogs. Yeah, it might have been Big Beardy, one of his blog. and he was saying he's just started out and he's got a small van, and all this, and we said good luck and all that. So all you got to do is just keep plodding at it, you know what I mean? Keep plugging, plodding at it, plod along and see what you can get. Hard work, proper hard work, but you get there in the end. You know, the more people that you ring, the more people that you annoy, then the more work you'll get, because they'll think, oh yeah, he's always ringing me up, that Steve, better give him something, shut him up. And then you do a decent job and you'll get another one. Simple. But I'll leave it there now. I'll not do another clip unless I get another job, because it's pretty pointless, isn't it? But I'm just letting you know with that bit that we're all putting in for them and not getting. So it's not just brand new people out there, it's everybody. Do what you can, earn what you can, get home safe. Simple. Alright people, enjoy.